Annyeonghaseyo, Bitcherim. So this is the update of Nika's family's CR. So they're already done with the septic tank, and now they're proceeding to make the whole bathroom, or constructing the whole bathroom. As for the statement, the budget that is given, it is enough to build the whole comfort room. However, they won't do a finishing of it, or make it painted because of the budget. So, but the budget given is already enough to create the whole comfort room. So this is the update. The materials was delivered yesterday. They already bought all the materials aside from the doorknob, but they still have money to buy the doorknob. The other workers are mixing some cements, and they're doing their best so they can finish this one tomorrow. 안녕하세요, Nika, Nikki. So, what can you say to Victorinin?
Victorinin, 감사합니다. For this CR.
They were supposed to make it bigger, but we would also to give thanks to Corendinim for giving an additional budget. So, girls, what can you say to Corendinim?
Corendinim, 감사합니다.
We are very beyond grateful to you sponsors for making their dream CR come true. We wish you a very good health and more blessings to come. We would update